I've added 10 grams of weight underneath the fuselage. That's made it better. So that makes it around about 170 grams this is now. But I think the wind has died down a little bit as well. Yes, it's picking up again. Right, that was okay. Still tricky. That was quite good. It was difficult to keep it within the area because of the breeze, but there is some lift starting to develop in this area as the sun's getting higher and it's warming up the ground. It's getting on towards midday now. Oh dear. Right, that's it. So what I'm going to do, I've added 20 grams of weight there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little something to go in there to actually be a holder for ballast, so that in future it just makes it easy for me in these kind of conditions just to add a little bit of ballast. But that was flying pretty good some of that time. It's just that breeze was very sort of blustery, very on and off, so that made it difficult, but enjoyed that.